Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're at the Hyatt place in Biloxi, Mississippi, and we're going to give you a tour of our room. So this is room 506. This is a king suite with a view. And we'll get to the view in just a minute, but let's take a look at the room itself. Start with the entryway. We have all the different information about the hotel. How to lock the doors, Mississippi hotel laws, map of the hotel. And we are right there. Elevators are here, the stairs at either end, fire escape. And the maximum room rate of $7.99 for a single or a double. $200 cleaning fee for smoking in the room. Checkout time is 11. Well, actually, checkout time is 12. We have a peephole here. This is, oh, that's interesting. I don't think that works. But we have a latch. So they have the little thing here that says insert card for power, but it doesn't seem to actually be hooked up to anything because no matter what, the lights all stay on. I'm not sure if the HVAC shuts off if you don't have your card in there or what. But we have a nice little well-lit entryway. The bathroom's right there as you come in. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Got a full-length mirror here. Desk area with a telephone. Single cup coffee maker with a glass mug. And it's not in the bathroom, which is always nice not to have the coffee maker in the bathroom. Little roll around chair here for the desk. Down here we have, I guess this is a bunch of this is some sort of coffee. And being that they serve Starbucks in the lobby, I'm kind of surprised it's not some kind of Starbucks promotion. Little packets of sugar and all the different condiments and stuff like that. You got English breakfast decaffeinated, Earl Grey black tea, ice bucket, couple of glasses. You have a nice sized television here, and that is DirecTV. Behind this door is a refrigerator, and the refrigerator was cold. We got stuff in it already. Then we have some drawers. We have the standard Bible, empty, and then what appears to be a wardrobe. I haven't opened this up yet. So we have a luggage rack, iron and an ironing board, laundry bag here, and non-captive hangers, but this is kind of a odd hanger, but these are normal size hangers. Got some extra bedding up in the top. And this is the actual HVAC, which just kicked on. So it's a central unit in the corner here, and it's controlled by a thermostat down the other end. Now, this is the view that we get. This is a nice view. The hotel's set back quite a bit off the highway, and it's still got the trees, which prior to Hurricane Katrina were so prevalent along the Gulf Coast. So you got a nice shady area down in the parking lot. The hotel's pool is out there. Very nice pool. Got some little tables with umbrellas. So we have a little couch seating area here. And there's some kind of a stain on that couch, on that cushion. But a nice little area here. Well decorated. And the little living room area is separated by one of these glass walls, you know, partial walls. The couch is a pull-out. So you can sleep a couple extra people there. Then the bedroom area, this is a king-size bed. They give us 4 pillows. A couple of end tables, lamps. They got power outlets on the lamps. The pillows appear to be 4 exactly the same pillows. No soft and firm or anything like that. All the same size. Everything looks clean. And on this nightstand is an alarm clock. And the time's correct within 10 minutes or so. Back to the desk area, there's a couple of outlets. So even though there's nothing actually attached to the desk like you see in some places, there's still places to plug in your laptop or whatever you want to charge. I think the power outlets throughout the room are adequate. I think that's just to keep the refrigerator from overheating in the cabinet, which is smart. I always wondered about that. A lot of times they're sealed up in a cabinet and it's 100 degrees in there. So now we're going to take a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom has this sliding door, and unlike every other hotel that I've stayed in that had a sliding bathroom door, this one actually has a lock on it. It's got a little green window there to tell you it's unlocked, and I guess that turns red if you lock it. Let's take a look. But typically these, yep, turns red like an airplane bathroom. Typically these don't have any kind of lock on them. So this is a nice sized bathroom. Big old mirror in there. Got hot, cold running water. Box of Kleenex. I don't know how you pronounce that. Kennetimd, or is it Kennet MD skincare cleansing bar. Anya, that's high quality. Anya Ego Spa Treatment Conditioner. Carrie says this is high quality, so it must be. And this is shampoo. It's kind of hard to read these things. And vegetable soap. That's interesting. I have a hand towel, washcloth, place to plug in the 1950s electric razor, 3 separate switches, and the way this bathroom is lit up, you've got the light behind the mirror, and up on the ceiling you have a couple of spotlight type things. They're not heat lamps or anything, but they just put a lot of light on the vanity area. So it's very well lit. And then the 3rd switch controls this fan up here, so you can actually turn that on and off independently of the lights, which is always good. So a couple places to hang things up here. Bath towels and more washcloths, a floor mat, bath mat, toilet. And the toilet is water, and it flushes. Got some toilet tissue there and a little, whoa, not a soft closing toilet lid. That thing just slams down. It's American standard. Got a little garbage can in the corner there. And then a stand-up shower. That's the size of a bathtub. I don't know why they don't put bathtubs in places anymore, but check out the shower head. It's just on off. I guess you turn it. Yep. That's interesting. Not how I like to take a shower. So it's got all kind of different settings, and they all seem to work. That's the most normal setting. It's dripping a little bit, but otherwise nothing's clogged up, so I think that's in pretty good condition. And then inside of the shower, there's 3 more bath towels. And actually, I said these were bath towels. I think they're hand towels. So anyway, that's it for the room. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment below. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And join us for our next 504 road trip.